The recipe is available in different languages of the world. Turn on the caption, CC, and select your desired language. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more amazing videos. Chicken marination preparation. 1.5 kg whole chicken. 4 tablespoons fruit vinegar. 2 teaspoons salt. Rub salt nicely and marinate for 1 hour. Marination spice preparation. 5 tablespoons hung curd. 2 tablespoons red chili powder. Half a tablespoon garam masala powder. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Half a teaspoon ginger powder. Half a teaspoon black salt. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon dry mixed herbs. Mix everything nicely. Coat the chicken with spices. Marinate for overnight or for 3 hours. Tie the chicken tightly. Two tablespoons olive oil on both the sides. Roast at 200 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. Roast chicken is ready. Can be served with roast potatoes, fresh mint leaves, tomato slices, cucumber slices, pieces of lemon, 2 tablespoons melted butter, pinch of chaat masala. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.